Hi guys.
Hi, teacher.
Okay guys, so please we'll make as I said the last time, so we will make a small revision together about unit what we have done or what you have taken. So we will not take the programming language right now. So we take some exercise, so we correct our exercise. So please we will take wait. So if I ask you guys, what the lasso tool help us in Photoshop? What the lasso tool help us in the Photoshop? Why we are using the lasso tool? And how many type of lasso we have in Photoshop? So
1 hour, Mister.
yes.
Mister, I think we only have only 1 hour of to do Photoshop.
What?
I think, I think
Yes.
we will do the Photoshop in 1 hour. I think.
You mean only one you mean only one lesson we have in Photoshop?
I think.
No, we take a three lesson in Photoshop. 3 times. So we did it for 3 times.
Oh, I remember, Mister. I remember. Yes, I remember.
I don't understand what you want to say, Bander.
Oh, I think you مستر، انا حسبك تقصد تقول كم ياخذ الفوتوشوب.
لا لا. And I asked you why we use
Yeah.
lasso. So the question is why we use the lasso tool.
To do a Photoshop.
Yes, this is the question. Why we use the lasso tool. So I said we will make
Yes, Mister.
we will make a revision right now, okay? Why we use lasso tool and how many types of lasso we have. You see my screen or not?
Yes, we see it,
We
Mister.
can see
Okay.
your
Mister,
Yes.
I think if somebody do if somebody you want to do in the class to do a Photoshop, who you'll choose?
Wallahi, I don't understand what you say, Bander. What's your question exactly?
If you want somebody to do a Photoshop,
Yes.
what you how من تختار؟
أنا من أختار.
Somebody to do a Photoshop.
Yes, somebody to do Photoshop, okay?
in the class.
Yes,
In the
yes, in the
class,
class.
okay? من أختار منكم
هو
معناها
you will choose. ايوه to do a
everybody.
Photoshop.
Everybody. All of you can do the Photoshop. I think, huh? Because we haven't Photoshop now right now like application, but we did it like like excuse me. We did it only theory, okay, not practical. So here for me now, I want to ask you some question in Photoshop. I want to ask you some question in Photoshop. Here, my question is why we are using lasso tool? Why we are using lasso tool? Who have the answer? You can't find it in your book, huh?
Mister, on page what?
Aha. You have to search. If I give you this question in the exam, you will ask me, Mister, in which page? So you have to revise your lesson. Okay, this time I will give you. So please take your book in page 28.
Sir, we have three types of lasso tool.
Good. Can you okay? Can you give
There's
me?
magnetic pentagonal lasso and lasso tool and the
And
pentagonal tool, not the magnetic one.
Good.
لا
So we
لا
have the lasso tool, polygonal lasso tool, and magnetic lasso.
Magnetic polygonal lasso tool.
Good. So magnetic. Okay, magnetic lasso, polygonal lasso, and the lasso tool. Okay, now why we are using lasso tool? Why?
To select, sir,
Select what?
select the thing in the picture.
Okay, to select, for example, to select picture or to cut a
Yes,
picture from the original layer and put it in the second layer. Good. So, and generally, why we using it?
to select the picture.
So the answer is, guys, so you have it's written in your book. So the lasso tool and polygonal lasso tool helps one to draw both freehand and straight edge selection. The magnetic lasso is a good option for edge set against high contrast backgrounds. So please, you have to what? You have to revise this paragraph, huh? هذه لازم نحفظها. So we said page, answer page 28. Okay. So this is
Okay.
question number 1. Now question number 2. What is the crop? Is the crop tool? What's the crop tool, guys? What's the crop tool? What's the crop tool, guys?
Sir, the crop tool is used to minimize the picture or to cut the edges of the picture.
What?
Crop
Please, can you
tool is
repeat?
crop tool is used by cutting out the edges of the picture.
So the crop tool, guys, the crop tool. If you remember, the video, what you put it here. So wait, I will. The crop tool that can what can we can select the area, okay, the area we want. So the crop tool in Photoshop. Wait. So here, if you remember this video, do you remember this video that we seen together?
Lock the aspect ratio and resize the border from its center. Hold Shift up
Yes, sir, I
Listen.
remember it.
a corner handle. To resize the border from its center, press and hold Alt or Option on a Mac while dragging a handle.
So the crop tool help us what to make or to select the area that you want to keep. So for example, this is my photo, or this is my picture. Okay, this is my picture. Okay, but I want only this area. So I want to remove all this area and what get only this one. So what to
Swap to
do?
Adobe Stock. So let's start with the Crop Tool's keyboard shortcut.
So we
To
click
select
on the
crop
crop.
tool, rather than grabbing it from the toolbar, just tap the letter C on your keyboard. As
So
you're
we click on the
resizing
crop,
border,
and after
you can
that,
lock
what?
the aspect ratio by
We
holding
hold the
down the
shift,
Shift key as you drag
and
a
what?
corner handle.
And I can select only the area what I want. Okay. So the crop tool helps you to select the area you want to keep while it's crop the rest of the image. And you find the answer. You find the answer in page answer in page. Wait, it's missing the S. Answer page 29. Who can read the crop tool in page 29, please?
Sir, I can read it.
Why?
I can read it, sir.
Okay, please.
The crop tool helps you to select the area you want to keep, while it crops the rest of the image.
Good. So the crop tool helps you to select the area you want to keep while it crops the rest of the image. So this is what? This is for the crop tool. Okay? Is it clear?
Yes, sir, it is.
Good. So okay, so I will ask another question. So this is only for Photoshop. And if I ask you about what? Okay, so another question. What is Adobe? What is Adobe Photoshop? Okay, what is Adobe Photoshop, guys? Huh?
Sir, Adobe Photoshop is a photo editing software.
Photo editing or image editing. Good. What
Editing
else?
software.
Is it the hardware? Is it software? It's application, it's a
Software,
program.
sir.
Huh?
Software application.
Good. So it's a software application. So Adobe Photoshop is what a software program or a software application, and is a professional image editing standards. To put it simply, Photoshop helps you to add various effects to your image. So the answer here we have, you have the answer, right? So the answer, page 22. Answer page 22. So who can read, please, the answer in page 22 in the introduction? Satab. I didn't hear you, huh? It's a long time that he didn't hear you. Satab.
Yes, Mister.
Your name is Sattam or Satem or Saddam? Huh? What's your name exactly, please?
Who, sir?
Sattam.
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 Sattam, sir.
Please, Sattam, can you read?
Yes.
Can you read the paragraph in page 22? Yes? Yes, Sattam. Where are you?
Yes, Mister. I'm here.
Please. Can you answer?
Introduction.
Yes, the introduction.
Mister.
Yes, in page 22, Sattam.
Okay. Adobe Photoshop is a professional image editing standard. It is a software program which is used to edit images. But simply, Photoshop helps you to add uh, various effects to your image.
Good.
For
So,
example,
no, stop. Okay, it's okay. So, the answer when I ask you what is Photoshop, okay, or can you define the Photoshop reader or the Photoshop? So, you have to answer like this. You have to say, is Photoshop is a professional image editing standard. It's a software program which is used to edit image. Okay? Only also you can add to put it simply, Photoshop helps you to add various effects to your image. So please, you have to revise this paragraph in page 22. Okay, don't forget, you will have an exam in computer. Maybe I will ask you some question like this, huh? Okay,
okay,
guys,
sir.
thank you.
Okay, guys.
Okay, now if we move to what, if we be back to what, to the, okay, so I will give you for, give me examples of programming language. Okay, give me examples of programming language. Uh-huh. Who can give me some example of programming language? Yes, guys.
Yes, sir.
Who can give me some examples of programming language?
Sir, C sharp.
What?
C sharp.
C sharp.
C sharp. Sharp.
C sharp.
Yes.
What's the C sharp?
Programming language.
It's not the C sharp part. You mean C sharp, huh? You mean C sharp like this? C sharp. Wait.
Hashtag, sir.
Huh?
Hashtag C.
Yes,
Hashtag.
yes. C hashtag is a C sharp. It's like this. Wait. You mean this one, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, but you have to give me the family of the C sharp.
Oh, okay.
Yes, it's true, huh? It's true. C sharp, yes. You have right. Okay, so we said, so here, for example, I put it in black, and the answer, it will be what? So, C sharp, we said C sharp, okay. What else? The other. The other. Where are you? Yalla, عاد, yalla.
Yes, Mister.
Yes, Bender. Give me some example of programming language.
What?
Example of programming language. Example of programming language. So,
Mister, I don't know. I don't know the
you don't know the programming language,
programming language.
but we see it together, huh? We see it together last time. Salim said C sharp. There is also the C. There is also the C++. What else, Salim? PHP, .NET. You forget this or no?
Slash dot com.
What?
Mister dot
Yes?
com or what?
It's not .com. There,
What I
no,
don't.
there's our programming language. There's a programming that we can do some application with it, like Python. Also, Python. Do you remember this or no?
Yes, I remember Python, sir.
Yeah.
No, Python.
Plutôt Python, not Python, no? Python.
Oh, okay.
TH. Python. Huh? Microsoft Net, Java. Please take your book in page 18. Take
Java
your book
Binary,
in
sir,
page
also.
18. Take your book in page 18.
.NET also, sir.
Good.
Or
.NET. So, who can read the programming language? Please, Salim, can you read the programming language?
yes, I can. I can. Programming language. A programming language is written as a series of human understandable computer instructions that can be read by a compiler and linker and translated into a machine code. So, example, so that a computer can understand and run it. Example: C, C++, .NET, Basic, PHP, Java.
C sharp, Python, etc. Okay.
Yes.
So here, there's our example of programming language. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now, what if I ask you about the difference or a different operating system? The operating system. Mhm.
Operating system, sir. Linux, Mac OS, Windows, Windows 7, Windows 10, Windows 8,
Good.
Windows Longhorn.
Good. Very good. So we have like We have the Windows 8, Ubuntu, Apple, Google Chrome, Linux. We have also the Microsoft Windows, etc. Okay, so those are operating systems. So five, the example of operating system. So we said that Windows, Ubuntu, Apple, Google Chrome, Linux, etc. Okay, so
Okay.
these are different operating system we're using. Okay,
Yes, sir. What did you say?
I said these are different type of operating system.
Okay.
Please,
Okay.
guys, you have to revise all this, huh?
Okay, sir. I'll revise it now.
Okay,
After.
by the way, Google Chrome and Linux, they are not operating system, huh? They are browser. Google Chrome and Linux are some browser. Okay, so I will remove it. To not make, because okay, they are operating system, but they are called like a browser. Google Chrome, Firefox, Internet Explorer, etc. Please, guys, revise, huh? Revise it, because maybe you will have some exercise like this in your exam. Okay,
Okay, sir.
I trust in you, huh?
I will revise it now after the
Thank you.
period.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
For the other, is it clear? For
It's
the
clear,
other,
Mr.
is it clear for you?
Yes.
Did you have a question?
No, sir.
Good. يلا جماعة. Thank you for your attention. See you next time. Goodbye.
Goodbye, sir.